Hi, welcome to the Parkview Apartments. Let me show you our one-bedroom apartment. First, I want to show you this kitchen. It's massive. It's a chef's dream. You can basically have somebody in here cooking, you can have somebody over here chopping, you have your stove, you have your dishwasher, everything that you would possibly need exists in this kitchen. And then if you walk over this way, you're gonna see your dining room area, which is perfect for entertaining, for those wine nights, for just family dinner, or if you're working from home. Welcome to your next living room. In here you have so much space. You can have a couch that is an L shape, you can have a long couch, you have a ton of natural lighting in here, and also you have a beautiful fireplace to rest by at the end of the day. Next, let's look at your bathroom. First of all, you have this beautiful upgraded cabinetry with a ton of storage space for your linens. And then if you walk in this way, you're gonna see upgraded floorings, a large shower, and a beautiful counter space to get ready in. Now let me take you into your bedroom. As you can see, walking in here, there's a lot of natural light in here as well. And again, you get a ton of space to set it up exactly how you want. Make this place your oasis. You also have a really large closet. This goes wall to wall, which allows you for a lot of storage, but also for all those shoes you might have. Welcome you to your community gym. You really don't have to leave home to work out now. Every piece of machinery you could possibly need exists right here.
And after that long workout, or just maybe a long day at the office, you have your very own pool to relax by.
So the one thing that I cannot show you in person is the top class management you're gonna get at any Carloing property. Ask any resident that lives here now or has lived here before, and we put our residents first. We look forward to putting you first.